In this video, we are going to show you how you can install OfficeClip on the Amazon AWS cloud. So go ahead and click on this download Amazon EC2 free tier. So it will take you to the Amazon EC2 marketplace page where you can do some settings and launch the image. We are offering this image free for the standard edition of OfficeClip. So this image is supported on T2 micro, T2 small and larger, and we recommend you to use T2 small because OfficeClip uses an SQL server which requires some RAM space, which micro is pretty small, but micro is a free offering for first year if you have not used Amazon. So you can try out micro, but just to let you know that it is going to be very slow. So for this demo, I'm going to select micro here. We have a usage instruction here, and we have written a blog article. So it gives you step-by-step instruction. Now, this blog article is created in 2014, so some of the Amazon user interface might have changed by now, but by and large it is just the same. So this gives you all the instructions here, how to set it up. I'm going to go and click on it once more and go over here. So click on continue to subscribe and then click on continue to configuration. Now you can select some of the things here like region, and if you already have Amazon on a particular region or you are close to a region, you can select that region, and then finally go ahead and click on continue to launch. Now on this one you can change the instance type to micro if you want. We don't need to change any of these, except that if you have a security settings you can select it, and if you have a key pair you can select the key pair. So in this case we are going to select OfficeClip micro, which we created before. Click on launch, and you can go to the EC2 console and see the instance. So here it shows that the instance is already setting up because it shows pending here. So let's give a name to it. Let's call it Amazon OC. So this is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. The instance is launched when you have the status check as 2x2 here. So we see here instance state is running and status checks are all passed. So let's go and log in to OfficeClip server using the remote desktop. So in order to do that, what we need to do is first you need to get the OfficeClip password. We click on get Windows password, and then we have to choose the key pair which we created already. And we created the OfficeClip micro key pair. So we got the key pair here, and we have to click on decrypt password. So once we do that, we get the decrypt password, we get the IP address, username and the password. So let's go and use these to log in. We just check it out here. We have T2 micro. Now you'll also see that OfficeClip is already here. We are going to use this IP address to log into OfficeClip. We put /OfficeClip. So this process is going to take a while to bring up because some of the OfficeClip programs are compiling inside the server now, and also it is a micro instance, so it will be very slow initially. So then we'll be taken into the organization setup screen where you can put your organization name, email address, and password. Then you can select package and edition. If you are evaluating OfficeClip for the first time, we recommend you use all the applications and also use the enterprise edition. Later on you can remove some of the options if you want to. And then finally you can add the demo data, which will help you to do the evaluation better. Finally click on submit. So now you can log into OfficeClip using the password you just selected. The first screen will show you all the menus, options and buttons. So on the left side we have all the applications, and here we have the application buttons or more application options once you are inside the application. And for administrators you will see another button called admin, which will be some privileged operation. On the right side you will have the user profile and the site settings. So click anywhere and now you got into OfficeClip. You'll see all the applications here, all the settings here, and you can use this button to set up applications. Thank you for watching.